Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Arabic with Dina. Today I'm going to teach you an important lesson, so please focus with me. But before I start the lesson, please don't forget to do subscribe and like and share the video with your friends. Are you ready? Let's begin. I teach in the last class Alif and B and T and Th lecture, and now I will teach you another group. We have a group of letters had the same shape of the or the same form. It's named Jim, Ha, Ha. Jim. How can you pronounce this letter? Jim, like G in English. When I say green, you can notice G, green. Okay, G in Arabic equal G in English. Jim has one dot. Hey, how can pronounce this letter? Remember, when you eat spicy food, what you do? You do this method. It's so hot. Yeah, this is food or this is smell. So, yeah, it's so spicy. Hey, later in Arabic, like spicy food. It's so hot. How can I pronounce this letter? It's like KH in English. When I say Khalid, Khalid.